So this is the start of the putting green here. We designed the outside perimeter and weed whacked all the grass down to the dirt. Give us an idea of what we're looking at. We hauled in all the rock. That was the biggest pain in the ass in the project. Picked the areas for the hole, tampered down the rocks. Again, the toughest part of this whole project probably was pulling the rock from the truck to the area. Here we made the holes, so used mortar cement with the holes. Got to make sure you twist those holes every hour so they don't lock into place. It just helps with making sure the hole doesn't move when it's dug in. Here's my beautiful wife tampering. There's the green. That's how we got it home.
Riding dirty, baby.
I decided to do the landscape fabric on top of the rock. You can do it on the bottom of the rock or the top or both. I just did the top. Just my preference.
Put down the landscape fabric.
There's the landscape fabric on top of the rock. Holes cut out.
Lay the green, baby.
And then we rolled out the green here. Cutting it was a bit of a pain in the ass. Make sure to use your shears.
I just cut the holes. Time to go.
These flags I got off Amazon.
Put the flags in.
They're gonna be in the link below. Comments.
We still got some more work to do.
They're sick.
I had to put some more nails in to make sure it doesn't move.
So again, there are shears also
around it with some rough.
Links below. Definitely get the shears. Spend the extra money to get the good shears so that way you can cut nice corners. I started off using scissors and a razor, and just was a pain in the ass, and the shears just cut through the grass like butter.
Boom.
Give us nice clean edges.
Alright, let me see, dude. Alright, you gonna put a ball?
Picking off berries. We have
putter in hand, ball in hand. Is he gonna make his first one, or is he gonna miss his first one? A little harder. Go ahead, put another one.
One of the things also that's not shown in this video is the synthetic sand as well.
You better make this.
So after you get the green rolled out, let it settle for a little bit. And
let's go.
They have the sand that you gotta rub in with a broom.
Okay, hands low, like you're putting.
Oh, nice shot there, buddy boy. And it's coming back.
Now make the putt.
Oh, that's a little football, isn't it?
Yeah.
Turned out pretty well. You can see the rough in place. Did the rock around.